When the thermometer starts to drop, that's your signal that the seasons are changing, and so should your tires. In temperatures below 7 degrees, all-season tires tend to stiffen and lose their flexibility, causing unpredictable performance in cornering, braking, and acceleration. Winter tires have specialized rubber compounds and tread designs that outperform in snow as well as cold temperatures, giving you the confidence Canadian winter drivers expect. When choosing or installing winter tires, trust the pros at Halton Honda to help. We'll take the time to listen to your needs and recommend the right set of tires with the perfect fit for your Honda vehicle. And if you find a lower advertised price within 30 days, we'll even match the lower price with our lowest price guarantee. That gives you confidence on the road and in your wallet. Our team will install, balance, and when you choose our off-season tire storage service, we'll store them properly and save you the hassle of lugging those heavy, dirty tires to and from the dealership. You can book your tire installation easily online and even avoid the tire season lineup inside by using our 24/7 express service kiosk for the fastest drop-off and pickup in Burlington. Just one more way you have options when you bring your Honda home to Halton Honda.